What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Colin Bracken and this is our garage. In today's video, we're going to be going over what is done to all the vehicles and what vehicles are in our garage, because we get asked a lot, what year is your truck? What year's this? What's done to this? What's done to this? So I have a full video of what is done to my F350. I have a full video of what is done to my 2019 Can-Am. That is my 2021 Chevy 1500. It is a Trail Boss. It is kind of like just a work package, but my work did buy that for me. Pretty sweet to have a 2021 truck and a 2020 truck and a 2019 Can-Am. And then we need a new vehicle. So if you want to, go ahead and comment down in the comments, what vehicle would you add to this garage to kind of complete it? So we're thinking a supercar, we're thinking a Hellcat, we're thinking a Mustang, we're thinking electric car like a Tesla or the new Mustang Mach-E. I did a review and test drive of that video, so if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link right here on the screen about what's done to all these vehicles. So a quick overview of the Can-Am. We are getting a cage put on it next month. It is stock suspension, stock control arms, everything like that. We do have a strut mount that has a light bar in it by Herectic, and it is a ZRP headlight. We do have a half windshield right here. We do have 32-inch Maxxis Liberty tires on it. We have super ATV doors, which we have rolled this thing a couple times, so it does have some dings and scratches, but it still runs like brand new. We have triple X seats. We have a Rockford Fosgate stereo deck. We have equipped on this thing a total of 48 rock lights. We have MB whips and rocket lights on here. We do have the Rockford dash kit with the stage 2 speakers in there. We do have JL M6 tower speakers back here. They're 6.5 inch. They are powered by 2 JL amps. There is a 10-inch sub under the seat, triple X seats, TMW door bags. I had TMW doors on this before, and then we totaled it and had to get rid of those doors. We ended up getting this style. I do not recommend this style. I recommend RSK or TMW doors. These are my whip mounts for my MB whips and for my rocket whips. Stock roof on there. We do have the Zebros tow hook here in the back, and then as well as the Zebro lower radius rods. And I want to get the full radius rod kit. I want to get suspension done. I want to get all that powder coated to match the new cage that's going on. We're going to be doing a greens off-road cage. It does have the Can-Am aftermarket cooler, which is lock and ride system, so that's super cool. And pretty much that's it done to it. Oh, and we do have this Silver Turbos exhaust down here. Super loud exhaust. I'll go ahead and get a start up of this real quick. If you're triggered by loud side-by-sides and this triggers you, make sure to smash that like button. I think that kind of wraps up everything that's done to the Can-Am. Let's go ahead and move on to my truck, my favorite. No, we'll save my truck for last. We'll save my truck for last. What are the plans for the 2021 Chevy? Probably a shorty antenna. So I'm going to do some window tint on this one to match the stock tint, because I hate driving without tint. I feel like I'm in a fishbowl. And then we'll get rid of this gigantic ugly thing here. Alrighty guys, so my favorite part of the garage, of course, is my 2020 F350 Power Stroke. So from the front all the way to the back, I will go through and explain everything that's been done. So I know this is going to trigger somebody, but stock painted valance, I know, it looks hideous. I disagree. I think it looks really good. Paint matched with the truck. I think it makes the front end of the truck look really big. And then when my white fifth wheel camper's behind it, I think it really just plays off really nice. So that being said, we do have the stock tow hooks on here, powder coated black. These bumper inserts for the fog lights were also painted to color match the star white that is on the truck. We have the stock factory emblem that is painted black and white. We do have the front grille. This is the stock platinum grille that is painted white as well. These are stock headlights. They're pulled apart. The back black housing is stock, and the rest of it is painted white, as well as the amber corner lights here and the turn signals there. Those were blacked out. so that takes care of the front end. Wheels and tires, we'll start with the suspension first. To clear these, we're on a 2.5 inch Ready Lift leveling kit. If you haven't seen the video of how to clear these, go ahead and click on the link in the description right here. I'll throw that up. But these are 24x14s with 35s. They are on a 2.5 inch leveling kit, Fox shocks up front, adjustable track bar, and yes, 1/4 inch bumper shims, as well as a little trimming in here. So check that video if you want to see how we did that. As far as the antenna, we already removed this big ugly stock one and we replaced it with just a bullet antenna, a billet bullet antenna. Side badges are stock. They're painted white to match Star White, and then the lettering was painted black. We are going to get white switchbacks here that will switch amber, so the headlights are white DRLs and these will match those. These are stock mirrors, stock tow mirrors painted white as well. Tint on here needs to be redone because when I did it I got a hair stuck in there, so yeah, I know I screwed up. I shouldn't work on my own vehicles because I'm an idiot. I should just pay someone else to do it, but have to have the tint redone now. And then this little chrome trim right here, bezel, this was wrapped black by Dependable as well. On the power side steps there was a chrome piece as well. Those were wrapped. The door handles were painted Star White to match as well. Soft bed cover on here. I do like the roll up style for the short beds, especially when I have a fifth wheel and everything. I don't like the hard one to be like back here, my fifth wheel right here. We put the dogs in the back of the truck and we like that. So in the back, as far as suspension goes, we do have Airlift 7500 kit on there with a wireless one, Airlift compressor and controller. Tri-tone tail lights, so we've got black, dark red as the tinted, and then white to match the truck as well. Just a lot of paint match. A lot of time into this thing being paint matched. We do have the stock exhaust tip powder coated black. And then we have the rear tailgate here. The panel, the platinum panel, is stripped down from the brush silver that comes on it. The white platinum letters are painted to color match, and then the black tailgate as well. We do have a WaySafe 6-inch drop hitch on there. That is the 2.5 shank. I do need to upgrade to the 3-inch shank. This vehicle is equipped with a 32-piece Rocklight kit by Rocket side-by-sides. It is equipped with 17-inch wheel lights. I do have the sticker, so it is 100 horsepower over stock. Can't forget about that. As far as the inside goes, I have two 10-inch subs that are going to go under the back seat. And really that's it. I don't have anything done inside yet. As far as the top of the vehicle goes, on the dual panoramic sunroof, I do want to put my YouTube logo, which is seen here on my hats. It's a YouTube logo but with an American flag laid over it. I want to put that in white, of course, so that when I look at the vehicle from my window down at my truck, I can see that American flag, and that'd be pretty dope. Alrighty guys, so I want to know right now, if this was your garage, what vehicle would you be adding in the 5th spot? So we do have a camper out back. We have a couple flatbed trailers, a gooseneck trailer that I'm going to rebuild. But if you were going to throw another car or another vehicle in there, let's say, what vehicle would you throw in to complete this setup? So we've got the Can-Am, we've got the BMW, we've got the Ford, and we've got the Chevy. What vehicle would you add to make it your dream garage? Let us know in the comments down below.